This is a video demo on the creation and validation of beneficiary lists on the PenSphere application. I'm on the beneficiaries page right here, which you can navigate to by clicking on the beneficiaries navigation bar on the sidebar. To begin with, I'm going to click on this new beneficiary button. When you start, you can either manually upload or upload with Excel. I'm going to be uploading with Excel. And here you can see that you can download an Excel template which will guide you through the process of inputting your beneficiaries details, showing the required columns and the headers and everything needed by the app. I'm going to put in a title which is called Employees 2025. Open the Excel uploader, and I'm going to select the file. I have already compiled the file. I've already compiled the sheets that we are going to be using for this video, and I've intentionally added a few errors that we are going to be rectifying. So here we have to select the header row, and if you use the templates, well, the header rows have been compiled there already, and then it contains this data: the employee name, the normal contributions, voluntary contributions, and just the required data. And then if it is not automatically selected, you can select the appropriate row for it, but automatically it selects the first row, which it should be. So moving on, you also have to match the columns. So you can see that these columns are matching. If you use the template well, the columns should all be matching and it should automatically be selected. But if not, you can also manually select them by clicking on the drop downs and selecting the appropriate columns that match the required format. Next, it does some validations like the required columns and columns with unique, that has to be unique. So here I can just toggle this button to show only rows with arrow. I can see that I have 3 rows with arrow, and the error is that I didn't put the staff ID. And the staff ID is a unique and required column, so I can manually input the data here. And if I click on 6, which has been added before, it's going to return an error showing that the staff ID has to be unique. So I can rectify that and then add the other data. 8, 9. And then if I toggle this button, I can see that there is no more row with error. So I can confirm. Here I can see a preview of all the data I just added before I save. And after you click on the save button, another check is being done. And if there is any error, you can see them right here. Here I have an invalid RSA pin of this, which is over here, and I can also edit this data manually over here and input the appropriate RSA pin, update, and if I click on save again, the data is saved and the beneficiary list is added, which I can see over here, and I can look at details. I can export to Excel. I can also I can begin my payment creation flow over here. And yeah, that is the process of adding beneficiaries to the app.